Good day, my name is Douglas Bruce Anderson. I live in Johannesburg, South Africa. I'm a hardworking and conscientious person, assisting on a farm in Polokwane as a foreman, helping with livestock feeding and general maintenance work, repairs of pivot spraying, changing of flat wheels on pivots, making sure all is operational. I am self-driven, punctual and disciplined, as well as solution-driven to any problems I may face. I've worked alongside a lot of nationalities and cultures under hard and demanding weather conditions, hot and cold, even working at night until the task is complete. I have completed a course on the US farming training where I gained experience on John Deere GPS navigation systems, which use a Green Star eye steering and auto track system. Starfire 6000 receiver that improves auto tracking accuracy. Green Star uses ABC lines on GPS navigation. It has a 2630 display screen. Green Bar Line is a standalone system and prevents overlapping and saves costs. I have a Code 14 driver's license and a driver's permit, PDP, conveying of dangerous goods by road, permit. I have driven Massey Ferguson John Deere 8XR tractor with a 410 horsepower with a track grain cart of 30 tons. Driven pickup trucks, Hino H100 tipper, low bed 4-axle, flatbed, water truck, skidster, combine harvester, a backhoe, front loader, forklift 50 tons, Talander, extendable forklift, and basic experience on insecticide spraying. I am proficient in stick welding, carpentry, plumbing, fence wire repairs, mechanical work. Building construction, safety. I've done OSHA 30 hours and also 130 hours OSHA USA certified. I have not worked in the US, however, I have worked abroad under the US flag, South Sudan for PAE Lockheed Martin, Chad, PAE Lockheed Martin, Afghanistan, DynCorp International. I am prepared to go the extra mile to help my colleagues and share my knowledge. It is hard to find work in South Africa under the current economic situation, and I need to support myself and my family. Thank you.